So I just got to the location. I'm gonna grab this box and I'm gonna grab all this stuff.
So boys, stop, please.
Do you have
Yeah, water.
water? I need water. Alright, so this is pain meds. The first thing what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give him some pain meds.
Boys!
And then after the pain meds, I'm gonna wipe him clean with warm water and see how bad the wound is. And then I'll put some ointment on there and we'll bandage it up. And we'll put him on this heating pad. Put this heating pad and plug it in, and then we'll cover it so he's warm. This is direct under his butt. And then we'll cover it and put him in a warm place, and then just let him alone for the next 3 days. Like the bandage on, and he should be fine. Alright, so we just made him a little hat like that. I don't want that anything goes into his wound. Give him this warm heat pad, cover his cage, and then that's it. Right, sweetie? Had a rough day? He's tired. Let him rest. I'll let him rest.